This is Jenny from peakbinaryoption.com. Our system shows there is a reversal on USD-JPY pair on the 5 minutes candlestick charting. So I placed a short position. This is a VIP client and it is average trade size on this VIP client. But it will be a big trade on most accounts. I will watch the market changes and make active management of the positions. No one can predict the market 100%. So it is key to manage the open position actively. I will choose to close positions before expiry. Now, just wait with time decay and maximize the profits with affordable risk level. If you have problems in trading, feel free to contact our team via Skype or email.